Welcome to 6th grade classical physics. I am Anmol M., your course instructor. I am currently a 7th grader at Basis Ahwatukee and I am 12 years old. Over the next couple of weeks, I will try and teach you material that I have learned last year in the 6th grade and hopefully do it as fun as possible. So if you guys have any questions throughout the duration of this course, email me here. I will get a website containing lots of links to helpful materials and will throw in lots of helpful test questions on there to help you guys prepare for whatever end of year tests you have. I will be getting these soon. So without further ado, let's dive into what we'll be doing for the rest of the year in our topic overview. So our topics for this year will be, this video will be an introduction to physics and my course generally. I will also cover the basic SI units. The next video will be solely devoted to unit conversions. After that, our longest video will be Newton's laws. Afterwards, we'll have the second longest video with kinematics. This one is very important because we will be learning lots of different formulas during this period, so you want to pay attention during those. These will be shorter, but these are the more difficult ones, especially circuits and energy. Momentum is a shorter topic that we'll be talking about, maybe only for 5 or 10 minutes, not even a full episode. And I'm planning on joining these two together. Finally, at the end of the week, or at the end of the year, I'll be teaching you all test and problem-solving tips solely for physics. So, let's get into what we're talking about today. So, what is physics? This is considered the introduction to physics, our first unit. Physics is the study of energy and mass, and the interaction between them. Hopefully, you've heard of Einstein. Einstein was one of the greatest physicists and pioneers of this classical physics age. He invented the equation E equals m times c squared. Hopefully you've heard of that. Have you ever wondered what that means? So, the E stands for energy. The M stands for matter. So, I hope you caught that. If you knew the equation, then you know that this shouldn't read mass, but this should read matter. So, what does that mean? Matter times c. C means the speed of light, and the 2 is referencing it as squared. So energy is equal to matter times the speed of light squared. So it's a huge number. Thank Einstein for that. Physics are considered the rules of nature. They govern our society, not in a political sense, but in nature. Physics is known as the most basic science, or at least if you ask your teacher, because this guy has it all. It's not going to be basic, but it will be fun, hopefully. So by this time, again, I'm reiterating the fun part. All of you are going, just no. Yes, physics, badly stereotyped. Everyone says, physics is so boring. Everyone's going to think of you as a geek or a nerd unless they require it at your school. I will make it fun, or at least I'll try. I'll use stupid examples that keep you laughing and awake, that make you want to do the problem. I'll keep on adding memes like this. I promise you, you will like physics. I think. Anyways, let's get into the second part of our video, the SI units. SI stands for Standard International. Oh, I can't write this very well. It's really hard to do on a computer. But you get the gist. That's all trash. So, I want us to pay attention mainly on, let's do this. On these units. Actually, forget pressure. These will come definitely by the next video, in the first 4 videos. I cannot stress to you how important SI units are. Just a couple of months, no, it was last year, NASA was sending an important email about their space program, but they did it in American units, and they forgot to convert it to SI units. So people in Europe are going, what? I can't read this. We must use SI units not for physics, but all of science, chemistry, biology. Regardless, we will be using these units. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 units are probably the most important that I'm going to stress for classical 6th grade physics. Length in meters, area in meters squared, volume in cubic meters, time in a second, velocity, meters per second, and this just means exponent, and acceleration, meters per square second, meters per second squared. Mainly these, we will be learning all during the, the wavelengths we will be learning in a separate topic, probably topic 8. Like I said, these might change. We might not cover types of waves. However, we will learn all of these during the circuit unit, which is unit number 5 or 6. I have no idea. So you want to focus on these units. You can convert between these units. So for example, if we have time in hours, we can convert that to seconds. This will be next week's video. I'll teach you how to convert all of these units, except for velocity and acceleration. You'll be able to convert all of these units, mainly meters and length. So you can also use prefixes. We will get into this again next episode. Prefixes are little words that go before a word, I hope you know, and in science they're used to determine quantity or amount. So for example, the word kilo, that's a scientific prefix. You add it before something, such as kilometer. That prefix now determines the size of your meter. So these are also very important. We will probably learn these next episode. So that was an extremely short, it's just a little taste of what we'll learn later this year. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do it for the cow. Just do it for the cow. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you can to get this across to your friends, fellow peers, adults that even want to get a refreshment on physics. I'm fine with every type of feedback, bad or good. I just want to know how I'm doing and improve so far. Kim Jong-un fully supports this. Thanks for watching. I'm Anmol.